next designer, as we continue our big event with all 5 easy payments and all free shipping on fashion, accessories, and jewelry, is Lawrence Zarian. His brand, it's named Beautiful. And I tell you, out of all the brands here at QVC, perfectly named, because every time you see an item from him, whether it's this beautiful V-neck blouse or his pants or his dresses, you can't help but say, gosh, look, that's beautiful. Well, this one's new today. Free shipping, a $12 easy pay, a total price of $61. I have it for you in aqua, so you get the gorgeous splash of aqua, but you also get oranges and yellows. I mean, it feels like vacation. This one is my favorite. This is green, but the green is more like margarita, lemon, lime, and then you have fun aqua paired with that. This is quiet and softer, you know, a whisper. It's your neutral choice. Wear it with your khakis, your summertime white pants, and then if you're just ready for the boldness and color that only spring and summer can bring you, you want pink. And pink's gonna go back to a little bit more of like a fun, almost like if you're familiar with matcha, like a matcha green. All right, Lawrence Zarian, look, your whole outfit says, see you later, February. Hello, spring.
I know, right?
Great
and I'm
to
going to
see
say
you.
hello, Amy. So
nice
happy to see you.
This is lovely.
It's
or should I say beautiful?
Beautiful. And due to the lightweight fabrication of this Georgette fabric, it is so soft. It is so feminine.
Yes.
It is so airy. It glides right over your body, and it feels so fresh and fabulous.
It does. Well, before we have a model out here, I'll just kind of describe it on the hanger. So it has a V-neck. You're just going to pull it over your head. There's no need to deal with buttons in the back or anything around the neckline. Just pull it right over.
And then it has that pleated detailing, which sits beautifully on the shoulder, which is just so soft and feminine. And also it has one of my signature cuffs, which I call the Doris.
So a little slit at the cuff
that little
you
slit,
can fold
and it's
back.
that one button. And for some women who have said, here's the thing, I've got short arms. I pay attention, all you have to do is just roll it back.
Oh, that's so convenient and nice.
And that celebration of watercolor is front and back.
Oh,
stunning,
and it's a
right?
lovely print. I mean, you want to be photographed in this print. You want to be with friends and family. And look at Morgan. Morgan is wearing that one that we call the aqua.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Yes.
It is truly a celebration of watercolors. It is the best way to freshen up your wardrobe. This could also be the perfect beach cover-up. You can wear this for Mother's Day, for your place of worship, for a family gathering. This will carry you through the entire spring and summer.
Well, and Morgan, by the way, is 5'8". She has on her extra large tonight.
Right.
Machine wash at the end of the day, put it in the dryer at the end of the night. I mean, Lawrence, when you look at it, it looks like somebody went to a boutique or went to the nicest department store in town or even drove farther away just to find like this elite piece that would have been $100, $200.
So much more.
This is $61.
No, at this price point, and the touch, I mean, Amy, the fabrication.
Yeah.
I mean,
it feels like silk.
It does feel like silk. And if it was silk, you'd be spending a lot more money.
And you have to dry clean, and you like baby it. And
I will say this, so this is what I call like a smart buy. It's sort of a no-brainer, because so many women said to me over the holidays, you know what, I forgot about myself. I didn't buy myself that special something.
Yeah.
Well, at this price point, with the 5 easy pays and free shipping, this is when you treat yourself now and know that you're ready for spring and summer.
Well, and you've got the coverage. I keep saying it all night. I'm so sorry if you're sick of me already. But like, you're not gonna do a tank top right after winter ends, right? You're not gonna go and do like the shortest little skirt and shorts right after spring ends. You're gonna tiptoe into spring. And this is how you get coverage on the arms, and you're not worried about something looking too summery. This captures spring in a shirt, Lawrence.
It does, and if you look at the celebration of watercolors, and that's what I love that I get to do here at QVC, is I get to have some fun with my fabrications, and I get to have some fun with the textures. It truly is if you took a beautiful painting, and you drizzled just a little water on it, and then it just floated through.
Are you a painter?
I am.
Oh, I can tell.
I literally took my brush, and I painted each color.
I'm the worst painter, so I'm glad you're the painter here.
But with this celebration of colors, you get so much fashion.
You do.
Whether it's a denim, whether it's a linen, whether dress up, dress down. Cruises, resorts, weekends.
Oh, I can't wait.
Mother's Day is coming, literally.
Well, and let me remind you the color choices. So Morgan is wearing, wait for it, I have to think about this, aqua. This one is your green choice. So it's got aqua in it, but it's heavier on that fun green. Then this one right here is your neutral. and then you will find your pink choice. 868-2682. Lawrence, always sweet to see
Love
you.
to
Are
see
you
you.
back again tonight?
You know I'm back on the Valentine's Day. Will I see you?
Yes,
Will you
Friday.
be my
with Alberti.
Valentine?
I will be your Valentine.
Excellent.
Especially if you feed me chocolate.
That's 7 of you.
Ah! That's great. Lawrence has 7 Valentines ready to go. I've got 3. I'm going to wake up and get Brie and Clay little Valentines. I've got that husband of mine. So I've got my